Financial freedom. We all dream of it. What would it look like to you? Would it mean freeing yourself from that 9-to-5 rut? Would it mean being able to make money from anywhere in the world at any time? Well, have you considered affiliate marketing? You might ask, what is affiliate marketing and what are some of the benefits? Number one, there are low startup costs. Affiliate marketing can be a low-cost way to start an online business. You don't need to create your own products or hold inventory. Instead, you focus on earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Number two, it can be a way to earn passive income, meaning that you can earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links 24 hours a day. And three, flexibility. Affiliate marketing can offer the flexibility of when and where you work because you can do it from anywhere with an internet connection. Four, there's potential for high earnings. Depending on the products and services that you promote and the size of your audience, affiliate marketing has the potential to generate high earnings. If you promote things you're passionate about, it can even be fun. It is important to note that this is not a get-rich scheme. You'll need to build an audience, create quality content, and promote products in a way that resonates with your audience. But if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing can offer you a flexible and lucrative way to earn income online. There's no better time than now to get started by joining a community of successful affiliate marketers. Not only are they doing remarkable things, but they're also willing to share their thoughts and experiences to help the entire community be successful. You can even get started for free. Don't go it alone. Get started now.